everybody, this is Brody for Brody Jackets 2, back again. And today we have an interesting thing to review here. It is Warheads Sour Blue Raspberry Soda. This is very interesting. It's a 12-ounce can. It will blow your mind. Sour soda will blow your mind and taste buds away. That's what it says back here. It's one can, 355 milliliters, 35 grams of added sugar. It's got carbonated water, sugar, malic acid, natural flavor, preservatives, and all that good stuff. So anyways, it's naturally flavored. And so yeah, here we are. We got a 12-ounce can of blue raspberry sour Warheads soda. I thought that was a very interesting review to do. So we're going to crack it open and smell it now. I don't usually tend to do, I generally don't tend to do cans of soda when I do my reviews, if you've noticed that. I don't know why. I just tend to get bottles of soda rather than cans. I don't know why. I don't really care whether it's bottles or cans. It doesn't really matter to me. But I just generally don't have cans when I get stuff. I don't know why. But let's smell it now. It smells very blue raspberry. It doesn't smell particularly sour. It smells more sweet. It smells pretty good though. It smells kind of like it smells really good. Blue raspberry, scent to it. So we should pour it now. It's very blue. Looks a lot like kind of like Blue Town Club, but it's not. It's got a lot of carbonation, as you can see. Put the can over here. So yeah, here's a view of it with the ice and everything. It's very carbonated, very carbonated. So let's smell it out of the can. Maybe it smells even stronger. Oh yeah, it does kind of smell like candy, like Warheads kind of smell. So let's take a sip of it and hope we don't get it's not too ridiculously sour. It's very interesting. I was trying to let my taste buds kind of absorb the flavor of it. I was trying to keep it in my mouth for a second, just really get the flavor of it. And that is really good. It's nice and sweet. It's not too ridiculously sweet, but it's also, I like how it's not too sour. You'd expect it because it's Warhead soda for it to be pretty sour, but it's not particularly ridiculously sour. It's not even particularly sour. It is definitely sour, but it's not as sour as you expect it to be, where it's just ridiculously sour and it's just this crazy amount of sourness to it. And it does have a good amount of sweetness too that contrasts the sour. I feel like it almost perfectly contrasts the sour, the sweet and the sour. There's a sweetness of the the blue raspberry contrasted with the sourness of the Warheads, where it's perfectly balanced. It's not too sweet but not too sour, and it has a good amount of sourness, but it's not ridiculously sour or ridiculously sweet either. So it lives up to it. But I mean, I'm actually surprised at how this isn't that sour considering it's Warheads. Expected it to be a lot more sour than it was, but it's very carbonated. But anyways, I have to rate this now. What am I going to rate it? I don't even know what I'd rate this. Honestly, it's kind of hard to rate because it's not just like a regular soda. It's in its own different ball game. But what would I rate it? Probably it's not particularly that good, so I guess I'll give it a 6 out of 10. It's all right. It's definitely not bad, but it's not the best thing I've had. It's not a 7 or an 8 or higher where it's really good. really good soda. This is good, but it's like not just like the most ridiculously good thing, like a like the Northwoods. I keep mentioning the Northwoods, but this obviously isn't nearly as good as that because that was a 10 out of 10. This is a 6 out of 10, so it's not bad, but it's also like not really like particularly good either. And so yeah, it's a 6 out of 10 because, and I will give them that it was good. That's why I gave it a 6 out of 10. But it's not the best thing I ever had, but it is good because I'll give them the fact that it's how the flavor, the sweetness of the blue raspberry kind of contrasts the sourness of the whole Warheads sour part. How it like they seem to be balanced between the sweetness and the sourness, and I really like that. Um, well, thank you guys for watching, and thank you guys for watching my videos and everything, and being being here and watching all my stuff. And I'll see you guys later in another drink review or food review. So, see you then. Bye.